Welcome to another episode of Hey John. So I wanted to point out a little problem in the design of the Silverado EV. Now, these little wings or whatever you call them, they look cool, but up here, this sticks out. And it sticks out past this. So if you were to go straight up, you're going to hit this. So that means if you put anything in the back of the truck that's tall enough, say you wanted to haul a refrigerator or something like that, you're going to hit this. And this part of the truck is plastic, guys. The roof is metal, this is metal. 90% sure that's plastic. Magnet didn't want to attach to it. So definitely got to watch this, protect this. And there are some different solutions. One of them would be to put up a headache rack, but then you've got to find one that fits inside the wings to be able to do that. Obviously, you could, do something so whatever isn't all the way back there, but I tend to, when I load up something big like that, I tend to like snug it up to the cab so it's not going anywhere. And in that case, it's going to rub on that light. Most likely break it. So be careful there. And today we're going to show you what we did about the bed, or more specifically about the bed lights and the back light that hang over the bed and how to protect that. So let me turn the camera around. We'll get you a little closer so you can see what I did. So from this angle, you might be able to tell there's something that's been added. And this was added specifically to protect this, because when I'm hauling stuff in the back of the truck, it wants to hit this light because the bed is further in than this. So this hangs over. So anybody who's hauling big stuff in their truck, little stuff wouldn't matter because you're just in the bed, right? But if you're getting up there, so yep, we added a headache rack, and we'll kind of walk around here so you can check it out. This one fits between what I call the wings on each side. Matter of fact, as far as I know, these are the only guys that actually have one. I talked to a few different places with accessories, and they all ended up pointing to the same one. And then as it turned out, ordered this headache rack and got it installed. It's pretty straightforward. It's a rack, 2 brackets, 2 bolts on each side that go through the edge of the bed. So again, pretty simple. Doesn't look too bad. The truck's half in the shade, so it's probably kind of looks weird right now in the video, but it fits pretty well with the lines of the truck. And it's kind of nice that it fits inside the wings there. But now we can put big boxes, refrigerators, washers, dryers, anything that shows up in a big box. You can strap it against this, and you're not going to be hitting those lights in there, which I would have designed things a little bit different, but I understand. They're trying to make it look nice. And this is something you can do to fix it. Thanks again for joining me for this quick, short little update on my Silverado EV. If you like these short little videos and what we're doing with it, please remember to like and subscribe. Love to see your comments. If anybody else was looking for a headache rack, again, this is the only one I've been able to find so far. I have no affiliation with them whatsoever. But it's the only one I've been able to find that actually fits in the truck. Most of them are too wide to fit between the wings on each side. So look these guys up and check it out. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.